Okay, after looking at some of the submissions for homework for math, I decided to give you guys some hints to make sure you guys are on the right track. So, as you noticed, I have written in the correct lengths for the missing numbers for A and B on this first page. So now it's asking you to find the area of each of the figures for A and B. Well, remember, when we find area, we have to use the formula length times width, okay? So, if you notice, these are all just different shaped rectangles stuck together. So if you look at the first shape, A, if you separated this into two rectangles, you have a rectangle that is a 9 by 2, as well as a 5 by 3. So you'd have to multiply both of those and then add those answers together. Here, you're finding the area of 3 separate rectangles. After you found the area of those 3 separate rectangles, you'll add those areas together. Moving on to the next 2 shapes, it's asking you to do the same thing. So I have put in the missing numbers for you, and you are just going to separate these into rectangles, find the areas of each rectangle, and then add those areas together to get your overall answer. So if you've already submitted your math homework for the day, take a look, double check your work, and if you think that you may have one incorrect, you can resubmit. Okay? I hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions.